Hello! Today we are at Täljevikens kursgård, Täljevikens Conference Hotel. It was built in 1969 by the Swedish Trade Union Confederation, LO, and during the 70s and beginning of the 80s it was a place where the Swedish government held its meetings. Frequent visitors were Prime Minister Olof Palme and Yasser Arafat. Some people have been very clear that this has the same design as a PlayStation 4, but not the PlayStation 5. I don't know. There are 36 rooms, a big swimming pool, and a nightclub. Despite some efforts trying to make this as a conference hotel in the late 80s, business never really kicked off. It has been out of business ever since, but the grounds are still being maintained and the building is closed but frequently monitored by security guards to prevent break-ins. The balcony is unfortunately sealed off. We cannot walk any further here. Täljevikens kursgård, Täljevikens Conference Center, now sits here as both an architectural as well as political piece of history. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.